So hello everyone, today I will show you my presentation on 1 year experience in wildlife photography. So let's get started. So this is a location of near Dhuli range, Uttarakhand. I am standing on the side of the river, small river. There was medium size of mountain stone. Beautiful common kingfisher was sitting on the tree and searching the fish, and little cormorant and many other birds were flying from that area. Very beautiful time for that natureful moment. So next picture. So this is the picture of Dhuli range, Uttarakhand. I was standing middle of the river. That time in river no water was flowing. I seen Indian buffalo male was sitting upper side of the tree. You can see in background there is beautiful mountain, trees, and place is really very natureful and beautiful. Is connected with fully connected with nature. So let's go for a new picture. This is a picture of Bakroli Range Forest, Uttarakhand. You can see that I am standing on the forest field that is very greenness. So that time I was searching some local birds at that area. You can see in this picture that I hold my camera Nikon D56 200 to 500 f 5.6 lens holding with Benro monopod. You can see in this picture. So let's go for a new one. So this is a picture I am sitting on the gate of Dhora Dam, Dhuli Range, Uttarakhand, 263148. That day I was searching migrating birds like brown-headed gull, great crested barbel, ruddy shield duck, etc. I was sitting before 30 minutes at that place and didn't get any good picture. That place was very beautiful and full of water. Many migrating birds were flying from my surrounding areas, but it's very far from me. So I definitely did not get a good image that day. So let's go for a new one picture. So this is a place of near Dhuli range, Uttarakhand. I was waiting for a little cormorant water bird. I was sitting middle of the water canal on the stone. That place was very horrible, like a black water pond and bushes, trees and bunches. Totally connected with nature. So this picture is picture of near industrial area of Sitarganj, Uttarakhand. You can see in this picture that in skeleton cattle skeleton eaten by a leopard. Unluckily, I do not get the leopard at that place. That place was unknown for me. I do not get a bird or animal at that place. So this is a day I was adventure mode with my camera setup. I started adventure tracking from morning from for forest actually look like, how actually first look like. So I thought that healthy forest give vertical leaves. That day I was beautiful knowledgeable for wildlife knowledge. So always go for a wildlife knowledge can be better picture. So this is a place of Dora Dam, Udham Singh Nagar, Uttarakhand. You can see that I am sitting on the field of click the image of great cormorant in eye level shot. That was January month, winter time. That was not cold but mostly sunny day. That day was my first visit of Dora Dam and I see winter migrating birds first time at that day. So this is a place of Dhuli Range Forest, Uttarakhand that was fully connected with nature, beautiful mountain, forest and river. That place was danger because local people were saying that this forest has many big danger animal are living in this forest. So I visit first time in this forest. Experience is very fantastic. So thank you for watching my small experience in wildlife photography adventure. I will show you more connected with nature and wildlife videos to you.